Wagwan ENT.
Love is the only sickness no doctor can cure. I'm on a check for no old love to kick
I
out
wake
the
up in
door.
the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me
With their guns and their bayonets, with their guns and their bayonets. But you know you're about the new style yet. Say you know you're about the new style yet. Man a bust gun, me say them stop use my shit. Say man a bust gun, me say them stop use my shit. Because the machine do the job and clean. But when me back a gun, couple fence tear down. No matter where you run the gun, we shoot you to the ground. Now me see with a 45 or a M16. Anyone me back a guy tear down the scene. I stretch him here so for your police siren. If you make a complaint about what happened down the lane. But gunman I wanna get the gun from. Say gunman I wanna get the gun from. Say gunman I wanna get the gun from. I say no must he get it from the foreign land. And it must he cost 1 million. But me see 1 a penny, 2 a penny and just bomb. Summertime I rain and me say sometimes sun. Me go a dance last night and have a lot of fun. Me live a Kingston, not Montego Bay. But old time people have a little thing to say. Fist to fist they done. Nowadays man depend on the gun. Fist to fist they done. Say nowadays man depend on the gun. But if you don't run the gun we shoot you to the ground. Whether fi rancid cheese or a stale bun. Cause some come from the spot and this a fire enough shot. But when you check them out, them is a damn idiot. In a few weeks time, them end up in a dove cat. A rat like a damn polecat. Cause some come from the scene like a damn mascot. I never know themselves till Babylon bust them shut and them a ball. To officer me gut. I no ganja me they smoke a cigarette butt. But gunman I wanna get a gun from. Say gunman I wanna get a gun from. Say no must he get it from the foreign land. And it must he cost 1 million. Cause with a ball head or with a dreadlock. With a ball head or with a dreadlock. Jumping 9 eye round it get black. Him don't have him gun him say I soon come back. You want them a tremble, knee a wobble. Next thing me know you start shot pure piss. Piss smell rank like you got syphilis. Gunman I wanna get the gun from. Say gunman I wanna get the gun from. Say gunman I wanna get the gun from. But at the age of 5 was stone and buckle. The age of 8 was fist to fist. The age of 12 ratchet and cutlass. At the age of 18 gun from the scene. 45, the 38, the M16. Buckshot magnum, the submachine. But when you have a gun, police we hunt you down. The next thing you know, you're 6 foot in the ground. Gunman I wanna get the gun from. Say gunman I wanna get the gun from. I really wanna know. Gunman I wanna get the gun from. But you know you about the new style yet. Say man a bust gun, me say them stop use my shit. Because they mash it do the job and clean. But when me bust a gun, couple fence tear down. No matter where you run the gun, we shoot you to the ground. Cause with a 45 or M16, anyone a guy bring out from the scene, boy I have to leave out the scene complete. Some of them are roll left them false teeth. But I say, watch your step before me box you with a shit out seat. As I give you an exclusive medical days, an exclusive, massive, progressive and intensive shock attack. You know what name? The M16. The good old M16. Boy, I take care of the swing, you know. Jano. I take care of the swing. Go in, Archie. Jesus. Murder! That's shame. Throw some shot now, Archie. Fire shot to the down. No shot. No shot. No shot. No shot, Archie. No shot. No shot. Fire no shot, Archie. See? An exclusive shock attack. Ain't I play them on the track to make your nerves crack. So just move down the gap and nobody look back. Jesus Christ, Archie, look out, shut up fire. Go on and eat the record back. Him dead! Him dead! Him dead! Go tell him mama, go tell him poopa, him dead! What kill him? M16, kill him. The M16, kill him. Bim, kill him. Bim, kill him. Bim, kill him. Hush your mouth, M16 the boat. Hush your mouth, M16 the boat. This I am, this I am 16. I am 16. Bobo. Hush your mouth, M16 the boat. Right? Hush your mouth, the M16 the boat. This I am 16. This are the I am 16. See that me went for a housing scheme. Now we go check out me Queen Marlene. See that me go there in a Chris limousine. But when me take a stop Babylon, they on the scene. So Marlene, give me M16. Roping for me clip a magazine. Call me a go sweep this a street well clean. Now with me M16. Bobby, go away with your stubby. Michael, go away with your pistol. Jennifer Mars, the Bushmaster. Sharon, go away with the M1. Marlene, give me M16. Marlene, give me M16. Special request to the Urban Posse. Man called Shotman, man called Chuko. And the man called Junior Ranka was saying, M16, lead the way. I am M16. Because me put it on one pop, one boy drop. Put it on the rapid and say me wicked. This time I am M16. Me put it on single, one boy cripple. Put it on the rapid and them say me wicked. I am M16. Gotta let you once and I'll be pure and clean. Y'all look forward down the scene. This I am 16. This time I am 16. Echo used to chat about the girl Arlene who sometimes sleep on a washing machine. But this I am 16. I am 16. I no check for 45. I no check for no 38. Cause them the gun, them a lightweight. Marlene, give me M16. Y'all, go away with the pork and bean. Clear off with it in a sardine. Just give me clip a magazine. Call me, I go sweep this a street well clean. Now with me, I am 16. With me, I am 16. You know where a policeman tell me last week, Ringo, right now we have a new device, you know, to conquer all M16, you know it go? Police are charismatic now the approach. Police are charismatic now the approach. Police are charismatic now the approach. But me pa me collarbone me holla out, ouch! Police are charismatic now the approach. Can with a red seam or with a blue seam. No matter where them live, even detective. So run come quicker, you no tryna funny trick. Where them having a the pouch, the automatic. Police are charismatic now the pouch. So, Sister Kate, hide me 3-8. Police them a come and them we kick off me gate. Police are charismatic now the pouch. But me pa me collarbone me holla out, ouch! As I takes time out to do under the biblical days an exclusive rhythm style, really wild. So run away, child, a bigger stop your running wild, because this one has to be versatile, and it's known as the Bushmaster, the Knights of the area. And this one can all be played by a few sound guys around town. Rhythm Cal Bushmaster.
Who is the man that makes
yeah.
rap, reggae, the name is the game. You got no one to play.
Got no one to blame, so the brother said. Tiddy boom down day. School baba doom doom day. Tiddy boom down day. No matter what it may. Listen to the Huntsman work him show and blow. Played by Gemini Disco. Archie and Irie go on the go. For this a Bushmaster. This a Bushmaster. When you hear it fire, you walk faster. If you don't care, it will mash up your structure. Till you go the Bushmaster. She Bushmaster. The Bushmaster come from Florida. The Bushmaster he come from Florida. When you hear it fire, you walk faster. If you don't take heed, it might backfire. A bush master. A bush master. Some of them a deal with the Remington. Some of them a deal with pump action. But I want you to understand, this a bush master. And this a bush master. They say that bush master. Bush master come from Florida. Bush master, he come from Florida. See you about the bush master. And when you hear it fire, you walk faster. You get shot in your arm, you see the doctor. The bush master. See the bush master. A bush master. They say that me don't ram, me don't boast, me don't brag, no me no ram. Me love fire shot until me finger get cramped. And if you don't duck, you will get fucked. That's a bush master. Bush, the bush master come from Florida. When you hear it fire, you walk faster. If you don't mind sharp, it might backfire. Tell you about the bush master. Miracle is called the bush master. Tell you about the bush master. Bush master invented in Florida. Some of them a deal with the Remington. Some a deal with pump action. Some of them a deal with the Remington. Some a deal with the pump action. Aya, bush master. Tell you about the bush master. A special request to the man skanker. An exclusive thing called the hard times. Time is so hard. Jah know it somehow we can't no job on. Good man, because if you go to school, don't call school and go to swimming pool. Goal and piss pot. The man call Archie the red-nosed reindeer, so beware. But live life love. And love the life live while everything in music is God to mind forgive you. It's because this is called the dog I'm born. Get it! So the man say, so the man play. Man cars on the top of the top say, preaching every day come down say, get it!
Everyone wants to live.
Universal field marshal. And so the man say this a bone, bone. Tell you everyone a play a dog and bone. Say this a bone, bone. Tell you this a bone, bone. Tell you say me know everything about your bone. Me say me know everything about your bone. Me say me have jaw bone, me have neck bone, me have collar bone, me have teeth bone. Say this a bone. Say this a bone. Me say me head bone connected to me shoulder bone. Me shoulder bone connected to me nose bone. Me nose bone connected to me jaw bone. Me jaw bone connected to me neck bone. And then me neck bone connected to me backbone. Me backbone connected to me foot bone. And me foot bone connected to me ankle bone. And me ankle bone connected to me toe bone. Say what a whole heap of bone. The goddamn girl want to leave me alone. The dog just a shit and them a ball out for bone. Say this a bone. She bone, this a bone. Say what a whole heap of bone. Dirty man Ringo, you hear me not see your Gaza.
Archie forward, Rasta. Well, Dylan just say what a whole heap of bone. Him say when dog a shit them a ball out. Bone. As I come tonight to the dance and go home. Exclusive, massive and progressive jack attack. So on the way up or on the way down, you gotta stop at the station with some musical identification for the no generation. Coming from Gemini station, Dirty Archie plays it for you without objection. Gone to school. Really crucial, hey youth man. Listen youth man, right? Hey youth man, you gone to school. Hey youth man, don't go to school and go to swimming pool. Hey youth man,
for the school. If you start school, when you grow up, them will call you a fucking fool. So youth man, listen keen, listen real keen, and you will tell me, sir, what do them?
Boy, I don't know, boy. They must be hard of hearing. But here comes musical disco, discotheque. So the man again flex, gonna lace a crep and drink a sweat. And I better go on mini web. What's this there? Got it! Discotheque, right? Discotheque, right? Discotheque, discotheque off your crep, right? Discotheque, right? Discotheque. Discotheque, discotheque off your crep. I got top you till you get 12 vexed. Girl, I got top you till you get short of breath. Girl, I got top you till you started to sweat. Girl, I got top you till you started to fret. Discotheque, right? Discotheque, ribbit. Discotheque, discotheque off your crep, ribbit. Discotheque, discotheque. Discotheque, discotheque off your crep. I see the jam down, jump on, baby, baby, if you ride on. Got it! Without your see car, you're lame or lazy, got to be crazy. Ride on, I see keep on round it. Yeah, you know. Ain't no matter what them do, ain't no matter what they sing. I see time for one who don't lead, I drink. Strictly rubber-dubber, we are playing. Strictly rubber-dubber, we are playing. Make me teach you how to dance part 2. Teach you how to dance part 2. Go make me teach you how to dance part 2. Teach you how to dance part 2. You have to whip pump kiddo, you have to whip kung fu. Sometimes don't be teen and kung fu too, and that's the way you have to dance part 2. Tell you that's the way you have to dance part 2. It's true, it's true. Dong 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 dong. Bang bading bang brang bading bang brang bading bang bing bang brang bading 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 bang. Tell you how to dance part 2. Some of them too miserable, you know. The international year of the disabled. International year of the disabled. Come in a able feel. Come in a able feel. The disabled feel. Boy, the man Dillinger just say, girl, this go take off your cheesy stinking crepe. Well, boy, I know little crepe alone me want come off. Strip naked. Me just don't smoke a ganja spliff and drink about half dozen 9 Kinan. Me have a cock stand up in the air. None can move that but a ton. So what? Disco strip. Disco strip. Girl, disco strip. Disco strip naked. Disco strip. Disco strip. Right. Disco strip. Disco strip naked. Discotheque. Right. Discotheque. Right. Discotheque. Discotheque off your dress. Girl, discotheque. 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 Discotheque off your dress. Make a fly in a your hairy bird nest. Right. Until you ball out. Me want some recess. Because your long tone it they dig out me chest. Buy popular demand and special request. Ringo say discotheque. Discotheque. Discotheque, discotheque off your dress. Never chew 2 kick on the body, you know. And then she gets soft and just strip naked. And then we do what? Suck the titty nipple like icicle. Take a little pause, then me all off the drawers. While doing it, she said to wait a minute. Nobody feel no way, but I want to go shit. Me send her to go shit while me back my fist. And when she come back, I had a very stiff cock. Shoot it now the hole. She said, "Fi drop in your balls." Sperm start flow like a Dunn's River fall. Lord, you shoulda hear the lily gal start ball. Mind you pop up, my bitter gal. Discotheque, 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 discotheque off your dress. Why after she take off all of that? Me just put on me soldering suit. Say that me put on me soldering suit. And she take off her spike heel boot. She said to my Caxton she will salute. She's not aristocrat, she is a pancoot. Soldering away the young gal want. Soldering away she want chichibodo. Soldering away the young gal want. Soldering chichibodo. Me light up me soldering torch. In and out the boom boom. I go sing. In heaven there is no aisle. That's why Lucifer never get a child. But in Jamaica the man is full of aisle. That's why the population they over spoil. Discotheque, discotheque off your dress. Make a fly in a your cheesy bird nest. Until you ball out, me want a recess. Cause your long tone it, they dig up me chest. Left your homework, you can't turn bank clerk. Come from me teely, make we start jerk. Find a position, ride me cock stand. But when it drop dead, stretch it like elastic band. Stretch it till me chat like me come from Japan. Hang chang, fang long, song long, chang long. I want a plate of choy fan. Or some ham choy, chang long, fang long, song long. Long time away, you play your drum and bass. Right about now, we gonna change up the pace. Nobody feel no way. Nobody coming there with no screw on your face, so Brian. It's when we used to go private school, you know, we used to play. Who is coming next? Punchinello, little fellow. Who is coming next? Sammy Dread, exclusive super duper. I know King Kong, I know icicle, I know ice cream, neither naughty body. Say we are super duper. Man called Sammy Dread, evident lead. And if you dance too near to Gemini box, then you're going to drop down dead with your hand pie. Who did a bag for dry bread? Sammy Dread. Middle Scarlet Twilight Lover. Yes, I am.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. My twilight lover, I love you, I love you so. I work so hard in the day.
A special request to the man called Major Tex and him posse.
I even work in the night to make you feel comfortable.
Long the man called Herbert Chang, special request.
My twilight lover, I love you, yes I really do. My twilight lover, I love you, yes I really do. Yes I really love you. And I wish we'll never part, girl. My twilight lover, yeah.
Sammy Dread, can you hear that land? Hear that land, to make a palm with the head.
I will need you every time to make you feel comfortable. I work so hard in the sun to make you be strong. I even work in the night
Special request to the man Sammy Dreadlock along with him sister Newfie and him brother, an exclusive touch of brother Uncle General Lucky. Mr. Operator, come here a minute now. I want a piece of toilet paper, my belly a cut me.
Special request to the ganja smoker. Oh, yeah. Na 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 na. My heart is gone. Said I need someone to lean on. How can I forget you, girl, when I want someone to cry on? 'Cause ever since you've been gone, girl, I've been living in a misery. Yeah. Now that you are here, don't you have no peace? Just stay with me, baby. Oh, all through the year. 'Cause ever since you've been gone, girl, I've been listening for the Gemini sound, yeah. Oh, Papa Jamie, the number one sound. The man called Archie, my brethren called Ringo. We are far from long time. Ever since you've been gone, girl,
Because they remember the battery.
I've been living in a misery. Yeah. Na 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 na. Ringo on me agency, Archie on me brethren. A special dedication to all Greenwich Farm. I deal with fuss no fight. Yeah, my heart is gone. My heart is gone away. Lord, right. This one you like love. Miss Curtis I show her the I show to her. Miss Curtin call this one you like love. Free body universal, free marshal, solo partial, Papa Jenny International. So let me tell you this a super duper passy. Along with the man called Archie. So let me tell you and the man called Ringo. So black people with a sicker side sometimes lost to love your head. Now he come and do the musical list by the man called Tom J to make you musically glad.
Special request to Gemini driver, the dread from original.
Special request to the man called Gemini driver, see the dread from 7th Street. Murder! Tom J selection, every Iowa on the hour. We are gonna mash it up. Long, quick, walk, we are gonna mash it up. Chop Papa Archie, make we mash it up. I'm right to the look at the show to man town some J selection every hour the hour. Come make we mash it up. Song long, bang, come make we mash it up. Chop Papa Jamie, say Lord, make we jam it up. Quick, walk, Papa Jamie, make we mash it up. So like me, kids don't make we jam it up. By special request in popular amounts, black people combination too. Song long, go make we mash it up. Man called the Ninja, along with the general look at the show to man called some J selection in the hour. Miss Curtis I show at the Gemini I show to right. Right. Come make we mash it up. Song long long woody bang, come make we mash it up. Say Papa Archie, Archie, you make we jam it up. Song long long woody bang, come make we mash it up. Shall we miss it? In the year of 1973, I know a little Archie named Peter Roundchin. He take a little chip and to Mexico and change his name to Emila Bimbo. Emila Bimbo, see the what do you know? You're riding on a horse of a cheap donkey. Emila Bimbo, tell me what do you know? You're riding on the horse of a cheap donkey. So make me run. Man call some J selection if I want. Sammy say come up Papa Archie, beg you sing up the selection. In our life until the morning. Sammy say come up Papa Ringo, make we DJ in our culture. In our life until the morning. Say makaza, makaza, makaza koya. Makaza koya. Say come up Papa Dilly, make we DJ in our culture. In our life until the morning.
The man called Peter Rankin walk away.
General look here, I will tell you.
But he's gonna man called General Nano come to forward and say,
Got it!
we come again.
Right.
We come nice up the land, we come again.
Right.
We come jump and flash, we come again.
Good evening, Kwakwa.
Jammy say automatic, it's a remote control. This a reggae music, it's premature soul. Automatic, it's a remote control. The reggae music, it's premature soul. See you in a dance, you just a jump and prance. See you in a dance, you just a jump and prance. Take you in a bed, you just a go on like you're red. Take you in a bed, you just a go on like you're dead. Stop your crying and shake, girl. You stop your crying and shake.
Right.
But this a wanna heartbreak.
How we miss it?
And this a wanna leg break.
Right.
Another time they call it googly.
She dead in a the bed. She dead in a the bed. Girl, you dead in a the bed. Just keep a dip and big, you move off your hip. Say what you gonna get a lot of sweet music. Say round and come and quick and sing, no try no funny.
What happened to Dirty Man Ringo?
Yeah, because me jump over precipice, no jump in a it. This a physical fitness. Long, what are they physical fitness?
Watcha man. Say where is Papa Ringo? Them say that him work at the school company and him empty shit bucket.
You better believe it, baby, it's true. Tell me work a successful company. That's why me nah see me mind every night they on the fishy. Right? In the year of 1953, me mother and father named me Bradley. I went on vacation in Toronto, and when me come back, them call me Ringo, Mr. Ringo. Dong Mr. Ringo. Dang dirty Ringo, in and out your window, Ringo, not on your stereo, Ringo, not on your radio, I know he is on the go. Me brethren beside me name Archie. One Saturday went to a martini. A man make mistake and call him Ringo and say no. Me name is Dirty Drunk Crew, your dirty drunk crew. Dang, so dirty drunk crew. Down diddly. 'Cause 6 years gone by I couldn't DJ. No sound owner would listen what I say. But now in the year of 81, me a play Gemini the champion. Down diddly bang, down diddly, dealing junk.
Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong. Dong 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 dong.
Chick quick quack quack.
Right.
Quiddy quack quack.
Ribbit.
Quickly quack quack.
Right.
Quickly quack quack.
Ribbit.
shall make your bed so.
Alright.
So Lord of God, I must see fish and the okra.
Right on.
The skank steady, liquor veggie skank steady. The skank steady, if you love not be dready. Skank steady, liquor veggie skank steady. Skank steady, if you love not be dready.
But the spotlight still shine bright to the man called Sammy Dread.
The musical sounds can go on. Special request to the man called Stibro, along with him brethren called Carpe. Reminder saying Nufi from the HQ, Trevor Espongs, presents non-stop reggae on Sunday the 31st of May, 29 5th Street, Greenwich Town. Nufi HQ starting time 12 noon. That will be soon. And you'll be dancing to the sound called New Birth International with Peter Rankin and General Lucky. Midnight Attraction, Sammy Dread, Philip Fraser, Lone Ranger, Don Mazes, Bible, Bobbin to Leave and many others. We black people, no matter who you are, you got to make love and not war and go to the bar and buy yourself a crate of liquor. Because that will please the promoter, the place called People's
Welton,
Penthouse,
ENT.
Greenwich Farm. Flang da dang da dang da. Flang da dang da dang dang dang. Ringo a go there with a black princess. Me this a go there with a black princess. Me this a go there with a black princess. If loving her is wrong, I don't wanna be right. We should never ever fuss, we should never ever fight. We should stay in on the bed and do it all night. Me a go there with a black princess. Me this a go there by a special request. Go there, 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 go there. Huh. I don't want a loafing gal. I want a gal with a working man. While him the mine, Ringo the grind. While him the mine, me rubbing down the behind me. They got the with a black princess. Me this a got the by a special request. See that I love how she kiss and how she caress while making love. She the rub down me chest. Me a got the with a black princess. Black is my beauty. Greenwich Farm community, yeah. She said I 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 and 3. See I love coffee and I love tea. Say one thing I really want to see. I want to see a dozen gal love me. Although me little but me talawa. How will heap a gal and me follower. Said I'm me little but me talawa. How will heap a gal and me follower. Them say them love on me. Rub the vagina, me little but me talawa. Slang diddly diddly me, I got them with a black princess. Me this I got them by a special request. If loving her is wrong, I don't wanna be right. We should never fuss, should I never fight. Instead of that, baby, let us unite. Me I got them with a black princess. Me this I got there by special request. Yeah, cause if she did live across the sea, then what a great stream of Miss Ringo would have been. If I did she live across the sea, if I did she live across the sea, then what a great stream of Miss Ringo would have been. If I did she live across the sea, oh what a great stream of Miss Ringo would have been. Me this I got there with a black princess. Me this I got there by special request. Send me a ride on a black princess. Me this a ride by special request. Say that I love how she kiss and how she caress and while making love. She rub down me chest, that's why I don't want a loafing gal. I want a gal with a working man, so that I can perform as Joe Grind. Here comes Sammy Dreadlock for the final time to make your wine the waistline and feel so fine. As the brother takes time out and say, down, diddly, 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 down. Never do what Sammy Dread. What will you never do?
Take a girl like you, yes. I never take a woman without saying
No way.
I never take a girl like you, yes. You must be good to me. You must be nice to me. You must be easy I told you, girl. You said it was untrue. That's why I walk out on you, girl.
Richie wanted.
To me. You must be nice to me. You must be.
Wagwan ENT.